Hey! Here's today's tip to help you be prepared for an emergency situation. Enjoy! Did you know that you can use Doritos to light a fire? And before you say it, no, it's not because they're flaming hot. Imagine a natural disaster or another emergency. You're stranded with no survival gear or any form of communication, but you do have your day bag with you, including a nice big bag of Doritos. You could eat them, of course, especially if they're nacho cheese. Or, like me, if you won't lose any sleep over some Cool Ranch, you could think like a yo-yo survivor and burn those calories by using them to light a fire. Remember, a fire will help keep you warm, provide a way for you to boil water, cook more food, and keep wild animals away, all helping you to survive for longer. So here's what to do. Place a handful of chips in a small pile and light them from underneath to get your fire started. The Doritos act like kindling, as the oils and ingredients in them burn quickly, and the structure of the chips serve as a wick and draw fuel into the flame. Once you've got your fire going, you can add more firewood to keep it alive. Yes, I realise this is an unlikely scenario, but it does prove that there are many ways in an emergency where you can evaluate, adapt, and utilise what's available to you. Like and comment below so that we can interact. And don't forget to subscribe too. Oh, and check out this video for more great survival tips and tricks. Stay safe!